You get it? Let's go, read.
Verse 20 with NLT. For the Lord protects the bones of the righteous.
Calcium. The bones of the?
Amathambo
Calcium.
olungileyo. So
He protects the bones of the righteous.
uvikela amathambo.
Where does calcium God
Lapho
protect?
kunomsoco khona uNkulunkulu uyavikela.
God? So you can be a Christian without calcium.
Ngaba umzalwane onganawo umsoco.
You can be a man of God without
Ngaba
calcium.
indoda kaNkulunkulu
Meaning God is not going to protect your bones.
Usho uNkulunkulu angeke azawavikela amathambo wakho.
While you are busy facing all these things,
Mawusabhekana nazo
your
zonke
bones
lezi.
have no nutrition.
Amathambo
Your
wakho
bones have no
awanawo
calcium.
umsoco. Amathambo
You
wakho
keep on
anazakha
breaking,
umzimba.
breaking.
Azosoloka phuka.
Izolo bawushaya spiritual ufe bakuphula isandla. Sasa spiritual, hayi physical.
Ukamoya.
Bakuphula spiritual. Ukuya uye sibona umfundisi akasana balance manje. Kanti bekaphulwa kuphi? Naw nakasahamba sibona umuntu kaphela ngomfundisi manje. Calcium.
Umsoco.
He protects the bones of the righteous.
Uvikela amathambo.
Not any bones, the bones of the righteous.
Kodwa amathambo
Where is righteousness?
Kukuphi kulunga?
The breast.
Esifubeni.
The breast.
Ebeleni.
Repeat.
For the Lord protects the bones of the righteous. Not one of them is broken.
Not one of them will be broken.
Nalinye lawa
But he's confronted by many evil.
kodwa ubhekane
But
nokuba-
none of his bones will be broken.
kodwa alikho nalinye lamathambo wakhe lizophuma.
Let's go.
Verse 21. Calamity will surely destroy the wicked.
Where there's no calcium.
La kunganamsoco.
Where there's no? Repeat,
La
repeat.
kunganamsoco khona.
Repeat, uzwe.
Calamity will surely destroy the wicked.
Okubi kuyawumbulala omubi.
Okubi kuyombulala omubi okufana naye. Are you scared today? Are you scared? Yeah? Shelf life? Are you scared? Let's go.
Calamity will surely destroy the wicked. And those who hate the righteous.
Those who hate the
Abazonda
righteous, those who have a
ulungile.
shelf life,
Laba abanempilo
they're
ekhabeni.
looking at the real milk.
Babheka ibisi leqiniso.
Eish. Lo muntu akupheli ngaye. Who are those people? The prophets, the pastors are looking at the righteous.
Abafundisi babheka lolungileyo.
They're looking at the righteous.
Babheka olungileyo.
Why ngawo mara lo mfundisi? How is inkinga singaka? They're always looking.
Bahlezi babheki.
But spiritual calcium.
Kodwa
As
umsoco
you walk,
wakamoya.
your steps are
Sahamba,
guided by the
inyathelo
Lord.
zakho zibhekwe
You
yinkosi.
cause them to be in terror.
Ubayenza ukuthi
You are bleeding,
bakhathazeke.
but your bones are healthy. They're looking at you. You are walking.
Amathambo wakho aqinile.
You are bleeding, but there's no trouble. You are bleeding, but there's no weakness. Your structure is kept. Now the steps of a righteous person
zolungileyo
is guided by the Lord.
zinawe yinkosi.
Calcium
Umsoco
will make it in times of problems.
uzoyenza ukuthi aphumelele.
Calcium
Ngesikhathi
will
zonke.
save you.
Umsoco uzokugcina
when you are
usindise masowuhlasela.
Meaning they will be there. It's an audience of the wicked.
Babhekile.
Babheka obani olungileyo. Uthi amayizowa manje. Hayi amayizophela manje. Come on. Let's go to the raw milk. Imagine your enemies bakubhekile uzo backslider manje. So backslider. Hayi akanamali hayi. No, the flesh ishayiwe ibhoboziwe, but the bones on the cross,
Kodwa amathambo esiphambaneni.
the structure, it remained.
Ahlala. Sakhiwo siyahlala.
Azange kugamuka isandla. Inyama iphelile, but the bones.
Kodwa umumo
Calcium.
amathambo. Umsoco.
And now all of them, they were looking.
Bonke bebabhekile.
And God testified
uNkulunkulu wafakaza.
about the calcium in his son.
Ngumsoco
There was
osendlini
lightning.
yakhe.
There was an
Bekunombani, bekunozamazama
Aye, come on. Now the enemies of the righteous were terrified. Surely we have crucified the Son of God.
Ngempela sibethele indodana
Calcium.
kaNkulunkulu. Umsoco.
Surely we have crucified the Son of God. This is not a wicked man. Ulungile, bhekani kwenzakalani kuba mnyama. Bheka kuduma amazulu. Calcium.
So,
If your steps are ordered by the Lord,
uma ngabe
as you
inyathelo
walk,
zakho zinawe yinkosi usahamba. Khalamazi.
as you walk,
usahamba
you are in pain, but your steps,
usenhlungwini kodwa inyathelo zakho
they cause your enemies to be terrified.
yenza izitha zakho
You are hurt, but as you step,
ulimele
it's not pain speaking, it's calcium speaking.
ukhuluma kodwa
Ay,
umsoco
sabrakato sita karabadia dosto. Kingos perikai. As you step,
sanyathelo
calcium.
umsoco
Backbone ulimele, your heart broken, your spirit is broken, but your bones,
kodwa amathambo
they carry weight.
aphethe isimo
Eskalini akusinda inyama, kusinda amathambo.
amathambo
Your weight in the spirit
isindo sakho
will never be lost. Your weight in the spirit, because your bones are not
ngoba
broken.
amathambo wakho awaphuka
You'll never lose weight in the spirit.
angeke uze ulahlekelwe isindo kumoya
Your authority
gunya lakho
remains
yahlala
if you preserve the righteousness of God.
uma ngabe ugcina ukulunga kaNkulunkulu
Many don't reach that level.
abaningi abafiki kulelo zinga
Imagine, bakubona ulimele. Uyahamba. But as you walk,
kodwa usahamba
babhekele igazi eliphumayo. Babhekele inceba. And the mystery is in the bones.
kanti imfihlo
The mystery is in
isemathambeni
the bones.
imfihlo
The
isemathambeni
mystery is in the bones.
imfihlakalo
So
isemathambeni
Ezekiel 37,
uEzekiel
son of man, begin to prophesy to these bones. Bring back the calcium.
buyisa umsoco
These bones used to be mighty men
lamathambo lawo
who died in the valley. But go and speak the word.
kodwa
Give them spiritual milk. The bones will come back to life.
amathambo azobuya bese phile
The bones will come back to life.
amathambo azobuya bese
And when they go out of the valley,
mawaphuma
the sound of a mighty army.
lapho umsindo yeye webutho namandla sindo webutho namandla
Such weight
leso
in the spirit
kumo
is needed.
siyadingeka
You will say, namuhla ngiyahamba ngekwaha. Ungafika ngekwaha, your weight.
sindo sakho
Who is this person coming?
athi ubani lo muntu
The sound of your calcium, the sound of your bones coming.
amathambo wakho uza
Now they know that the person who's coming here
bayazi lo muntu ozayo
carries weight in the spirit.
phethe isindo kumoya
No matter what we do to him,
noma ngabe
we
singamenza
are not going to win.
angeke size
We're
simnqobe
not going to win.
angeke size
His
simnqobe
bones
amathambo
are
wakho
nurtured. His bones carried
amathambo wakho
calcium.
aphethe umsoco
He cannot be destroyed.
angeke azabhujiswe akabhubhiseki
Many.
abaningi
It's not just a broken spirit, but it's a broken bone.
umoya nje uphukile kodwa amathambo aphukile
Shelf life.
impilo yekhabethe
If one bone is broken, the other bone is coming.
mangabe ithambo lilodwa liphukile nelinye futhi liyalandela
And you think, look, no discouragement. Kanti hayi uyaphuka. In the spirit, bakuphethe, bakuphula so. At the end, you are deformed. You are without
Ekugcineni
form.
awusanamumo.
The earth was empty without form.
Umhlaba
But the Holy Spirit was
ubonakala
hovering
usunanamumo.
without
Kodwa
form,
uMoya
without
Oyingcwele
calcium,
buhamba
without
ngaphandle
structure.
komsoco, ngaphandle womuntu
You become formless
bese-ke awusabi nesakhiwo
without a structure.
ngaphandle kwesakhiwo
It is the bones that gives the flesh structure.
amathambo anikeza inyama
If they don't break your bones, you cannot be
bangaphula
deformed.
amathambo wakho angeke isakhiwo sakho sephule
Flesh will grow back again.
inyama izophinda
The wound
ikhule
will be
futhi.
healed again.
isilonda sakho
Because the
sizophinde
bones are
siphole.
still intact.
ngoba amathambo wona sahlangene aqinile
That's the error of many Christians.
yilo leli phutha labazalwana
They
abaningi
don't value the righteousness of God.
abakuboni ukubaluleka
And
kokulunga
hence, when
kaNkulunkulu.
trouble comes,
Ingakho-ke inkinga
they
mazi
easily fall.
bese bayawa kalula
Though a righteous man can fall 7 times,
nakuba umuntu olungileyo
it says
angawa
God will pick him up again.
unkulunkulu uzophinda
Meaning
mphakathi
the structure.
sakhiwo
But the moment the structure is shelf life must destroy you.
impilo yekhabethe
You must rot.
kufanele ubole
Dust to dust.
thule ethulini
Adam, I took you from the dust.
Adam ngithethe ethulini
You're without bones. You're without.
bonganamathambo bonganasakhiwo
So dust shall return to dust.
manje-ke uthuli uzobuyela ethulini
Without structure. Without
ngaphandle
bones.
kwesakhiwo ngaphandle kwamathambo
Boneless.
anamathambo
You're by dust food. Let's go.